Hello, my name is VD. I want to show you a library that I created. I call it SmartObject. Basically, it's one layer above JavaScript object. What it will enable is a type checking before you change the property of an object. As we all know, JavaScript object doesn't have any type checking. For example, for this object anymore. Let me run the code. Okay, for this object, animal 1, can change the property with anything. A boolean. Initially, I want the leg to be a number. But I can change it with a boolean, string, or anything. For example, I change it with a string. Make become hello in JavaScript. Just accept it. And the same goes with animal 2, a class method by using function. It will just accept anything and anything goes. Next, we will try the SmartObject. Let me delete this and clear the log console. And let's try this. Basically, the SmartObject is I import here. It accepts a schema. For example, I have a property, the type number, property name with a type string, and so on. So when I initiate SmartObject, it will need the first parameter will become a name, object name for logging purposes, error logging. The second is a schema. And let's run this. Next, you will see that when we create a SmartObject, it will give an initial value based on the type that you provided. For example, if you provide a type number, it will initiate 0, string, empty string, boolean, false, date, today's date, and so on, object, and so on. So let's see how it runs. If I change the property, the value of the property, it's supposed to be a number, but let's put a string. What will happen? Okay, and it will throw an error. Basically, it will log animal.leg. Animal is this, is the name, leg is the property. Expected a number to receive a string, so it throws error. Then let's put a number again. Let's put 4 and run this. It becomes 4, and so on. It will run for name. Let's name this Michael. Oh, okay. Let's put a wrong type first. Let's put a boolean. What will happen? So expected a string but receive a boolean. Put a Michael, and so on. It will run for each of the property. Let's see, the live, false, true. And what's interesting is this function. It has a parameter, the name of the parameter, and a type separated by this triple underscore. Okay, so it has the name like and the type of object. Let's see what happens. Basically, we create a function body first. Okay, what will happen is I want to change the name of the animal to the new name, and then the leg is supposed to be a number but an object anyway. I just have to increase it by 1. Okay, nothing happened yet because I haven't run it. I haven't provided a type, a parameter type. Let's put Michelle. Oh, let's put a wrong type first. What will happen? Basically, it will detect an error and say the first parameter, param0, must be a type of string. You see the first parameter. Okay, I haven't completed the log system yet, so it's supposed to be a name, animal.leg here. So you can see which object throws an error Anyway, let's continue. I put Michelle here, a string, and let's purposely put a wrong type for the second parameter. What happened? Again, param0 pass param1, which is the second parameter, must be a type of object. What happened if I put a correct type for each of the parameter? Okay, what's supposed to happen is this become Michelle and this become 5. Let's see if it's correct. Okay, cool. And that's it. Okay, I created this library for about 3 days ago. I play around with the idea. It's also based on mongoose. The main idea is to create a schema so you can share your code with your friend and they can know immediately how to use it. And there is a simple type checking system built on top of it. This library is still offline, still on private project. I hope I can quickly finish it and push it to GitHub for public use. And thank you for watching.